the Heartbeat of Bethany, Ontario.
Hi, I'm Jamie Schmale, Member of Parliament for Haliburton, Kawartha Lakes, Brock, at the Bethany Long Weekend Parade put on by the Bethany Athletic Society, a group that's been around since 1908. They've been raising funds, putting it right back into the amazing facilities you see behind me. It's May Long Weekend. Come out and enjoy, and thanks again to the great group of volunteers. They really put a lot of time and effort into this, and you can tell.
My name is Wayne Timms. I'm with the City Kawartha Lakes Fire Service, Station 7 in Bethany. This is three guys of the crew. I myself have been doing this for 38 years, and this is my last and final day. It's been a long time.
Thank you to the Bethany Athletic Society for hosting yet another great event at the Bethany Park. And happy retirement to Wayne Timms. And thank you for your 38 years of service with the Kawartha Lakes Fire Service at the Bethany Fire Hall. When it comes time for you to make a move, come and check out our impressive country estate, 1-acre building lots in the rolling hills of Bethany, Ontario.